I use this remote control to contact Life Call, my 24-hour emergency medical response service. Watch. You just press this button and speak into the air, and press this button and speak into the air, and press this button.
I'm having chest pain.
I'm calling paramedics and your family, Mr. Miller.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.
We're sending help immediately, Mrs. Fletcher.
See? Protect yourself with Life Call, and you're never alone. To get complete free information by mail about this affordable...
We'll have to hurry, Ryan, to buy all the things we need so I can make my homemade beef stew in time for dinner. Onions are over there. Gentlemen will be right back.
It's as good as...
Shit.
Waar weet je, ja,